So this one is for build up grout. First off, we're going to spray our degreaser, Shyn degreaser, to loosen up all the grime. Then we're going ahead with a wet grout brush and our Shyn paste. Then we're going to agitate all of that grime out of the grouts, re-dipping in water, making sure our grout brush is always wet. When you're using the grout brush, just use it lightly because the tips do the work. Then we're going to go ahead with a wet magic eraser just to wipe that off. Clean the splashback. Then with a wet Shyn microfibre cloth, you're just going to remove all the chemical. Shyn polish cloth, you're going to polish it up. I'll show you the difference. From that to that.